Hello everyone, in this lecture we'll be learning about measuring distances, areas and volumes. One of the biggest advantages of drone surveying is the ability to perform accurate measurements directly from aerial maps and 3D models. Instead of manually measuring large areas on the ground, professionals can analyze survey data digitally using drone mapping software. This allows engineers, surveyors and planners to measure distances, land areas, and material volumes quickly and efficiently. Let's explore how each of these measurements is performed. Measuring distances. Distance measurement is one of the simplest and most commonly used tools in drone mapping software. Using the orthomosaic map or 3D model generated from the drone survey, users can simply select 2 points on the map and the software calculates the distance between them. Because the map is georeferenced and scaled to real world coordinates, the measured distance corresponds accurately to the actual distance on the ground. Distance measurement. It is useful for many applications, including measuring the length of roads or pipelines, determining distances between structures, planning construction layouts, evaluating property boundaries. Measuring areas. Drone mapping software allows users to calculate the area of specific regions within the survey site. To measure an area, the user typically draws a polygon around the region of interest on the orthomosaic map. The software then calculates the total surface area within that boundary. Area measurements are widely used in industries such as agriculture to measure farmland and crop fields, construction to calculate site coverage and land development areas, environmental monitoring to measure forests, lakes, or affected regions. This process is much faster than traditional methods that require physical measurement across the land. Next is measuring volumes. Volume measurement is one of the most powerful capabilities of drone surveying. Using elevation data from digital surface models or 3D terrain models, the software can calculate the volume of materials within a defined area. To measure volume, the user selects a region such as a stockpile or excavation site, and the software calculates the amount of material above or below a reference surface. Volume measurements are especially useful in industries like mining for calculating stockpile volumes, construction for estimating excavation and earthwork quantities, waste management for measuring landfill capacity. These measurements help organizations track material quantities and manage resources more efficiently. Why drone based measurements are valuable? Traditional surveying methods often require manual measurements, multiple site visits, and significant fieldwork. Drone surveys allow professionals to capture the entire site once and then perform multiple measurements digitally from the same dataset. This approach saves time, improves efficiency, and reduces the need for repeated field surveys. I have summarized the key benefits in this slide for you to take a quick look. Feel free to pause this video. Final thoughts. Measuring distances, areas, and volumes is one of the most practical uses of drone survey data. With accurate aerial maps and elevation models, professionals can perform detailed analysis directly from their computers. This capability makes drone surveying an incredibly powerful tool for modern engineering, construction, and land management. In the next lecture, we will explore how drone data can be used to create topographic maps that represent elevation changes and terrain features. Thank you.